TrainUp.com is your one-stop source for on-site training and Crystal Reports. Crystal Reports is a business intelligence application used to design and generate reports from a wide range of data sources. With TrainUp.com, you'll find on-site training events and Crystal Reports that cover grouping reports, building formulas, enhancing functionality, using SQL statements, and much more. Your on-site training will be conducted by seasoned professionals that bring years of real-world experience to the course. The advantage of setting up an on-site training course through TrainUp.com is that you're able to cover all of your training needs in one place. TrainUp.com can also customize the courses to fit your requirements, and we'll deliver the training to you on time, even if it's needed at more than one site. You can fill out the on-site training request form now and someone will be in touch with you promptly. Or if you have further questions, you can talk to our training specialist today at 866-540-9677.